is my guitar lesson.
Good boy.
My guitar is red. I do some picking. I learned some chords. I learned so much.
J, K, A, B, C, D,
My teacher is clever.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
I like playing my red guitar.